Okay, this has to be one of the weirdest stories ever. The parrot that testified in court. Can you believe it?
The parrot was in the home when the murder was committed.
Following an investigation, Glenna Durham was charged with murder, accused of shooting her husband 5 times, then turning the gun on herself in a failed...
So there was a murder case in the US, and the star witness was a parrot. I'm not kidding, guys. The parrot kept on repeating, "Don't shoot, don't shoot." I mean, the bird was literally out here doing crime story podcast in real time. Yeah, we live in such a weird world. The bird even used the victim's voice, then switched to the victim's wife's voice, repeating the argument that they had just moments before the tragedy happened.
After I had listened to it a few times, I could distinguish that Glenna was yelling, "Hey you effing white boy," and Marty yelling "no" quite a few times.
The testimony was, however, ruled inadmissible as hearsay since animals can't be sworn in and cross-examined, but this gave a clear picture of how the murder happened.